Alright, we're at the point where we're starting to put the truck back together, but we're going to show you how to remove the backup camera from the Gladiator and how to install it once you have it removed. So I'm going to try to open this manually. As you can see, we have this cover plate in the back. You're going to need this T25 Torx bit to remove these bolts. We already have them loose, but as you can see, this fits right in there. So the T25 is the measurement you want, or the bit you want. Remove your bolts carefully, put them into your truck bed so you don't lose them. And there you have it, plate removed. Once you've removed the plate, you're going to unplug this pink plug. It's like Pepto-Bismol color. Just like so.
Show how you just squeeze that little.
So there's a tab on this Pepto-Bismol pink clip. You're gonna push it down here where my thumb is and pull it straight up. So after you remove this Pepto-Bismol clip, you're gonna kind of spread these things to pull this piece off, which secures your camera into the bed. Then you're gonna grab the lobe. I'm gonna have to kind of toggle this, so I'm gonna lift up. There's a clip back here where my pointer finger is. I have to push that down so that the camera can come down a little. Then it's gotta go this way to get this, give that clearance, and then come out. So all this clip does is keep the camera from rattling around. All right, when putting this back on, there's this little clip back here. Remember, that is gonna point toward the front of the Jeep. To put it back in, you need to start with this side first, closer to the front of the truck. Then scoot this part up. You need to make sure these little notches clear, and then you can snap it right back in. Next up is this little clip thing that's gonna keep it secure. You're gonna put it in with these pieces pointing down and this clip part pointing up. Slide it under this area right here, and it'll go right on those rails and snap right into place. Ta-da!
Plug it back in?
Huh?
Plug it back in.
Then take your Pepto-Bismol plug. Make sure the clip is pointing toward your stomach. And actually, it looks like they marked it. See? There's a blue mark here and a blue mark there. So line those up and clip that in. Then you put the faceplate back on with your T25 Torx bit. I'm gonna hand screw these in to get them started. Making sure everything is lined up. Once you're done, hand screw them in a little bit, tighten them down, and you're good to go. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel.